Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream using all-purpose cream. We'll dive right into a super easy, no-churn method that lets you create a wonderfully creamy dessert without needing an ice cream maker. You'll learn the essential ingredients and simple steps to whip up a batch of homemade ice cream that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delightful treat. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of well-chilled all-purpose cream, which is the foundation of our creamy ice cream. Next, grab 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, typically around 14 ounces, to provide sweetness and a smooth texture. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic taste. For extra flair, consider adding your favorite mix-ins, like crushed cookies or fresh fruit, to customize your creation. Now for the fun part, mixing. First, whip your very cold all-purpose cream in a large bowl until it forms stiff peaks. This incorporates air, making your ice cream light and fluffy. In another bowl, whisk together the sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract. Then, carefully fold the whipped cream into the condensed milk mixture. Be gentle to maintain the airiness, ensuring everything is just combined for a smooth, rich base. Once your mixture is ready, pour it into a freezer-safe container, such as a 9x5-inch loaf pan. Press a piece of plastic wrapped directly onto the surface of the ice cream to prevent any ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours, or ideally overnight, until it's firm. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes for perfect scooping. Enjoy your homemade, creamy ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.